Hello everyone, I am Dheeraj. Welcome to this computer networking course. So I hope you have gone through the computer networking course content which I have already given in my previous video. If you have not, please check the first link in the description. So in this video, I'm going to talk about computer networking overview and where it is used and what are the applications of this computer networking. So let's jump into the overview discussion.
This is an overview of a computer networking. What is it? Basically, for example, I have drawn a picture out here. There is a person called Alice. He is working on a PC1, and there is one person which is Bob, and he's working on a PC2. So they could be like thousand of miles away from each other, and they want to communicate over to each other. And this is what networking comes into picture. So we have a internet, whole bunch of devices in between these two PCs, and they are going to help these two people to communicate with each other. Okay, so Alice, for example, PC1 is will be connected to a router. Okay, and we can say, okay, it's connected to a router, and PC2 is also connected to router. Okay, but this router, and after this router there will be ISPs, respectable ISP. For example, it could be in different city, and they have a different service provider. And ISP is basically a internet service provider, and this router is connected to a different ISP. Okay, and after this ISP, there will be bunch of servers in between these two. And if this is a fiber connection, this whole networking is working on optical fiber, and then there will be fiber cables running over to this particular destination. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is computer networking is when there is a different computers, or we can say not just computers nowadays, like mobile phones, and we have IoT devices at home which are also nowadays connected to internet. So all this comes into a computer networking. So how these devices communicate over to each other, so there is a set of rules defined for that, how they are going to communicate with each other. So these rules, set of rules, are generally called as a protocols. Okay, so we'll go into those details later. But in terms of overview, what I'm trying to say is like how this thing is communicating over the internet. So this is basically comes under a computer networking terminology. So they're all connected to each other, like PC2 is connected to router, and router is connected to ISP, and then that ISP device is connected to a different ISP provider. So we can say we have different ISP here, and for this also there is a ISP, and in between they will be like communicating. There will be like cables connected, or we can say optical fibers are connected. So this is how they generally communicate. So what we from the top level, if I see, and as a black box if I see it, so this PC2 is connected to PC1. So that's why if PC1 like Alice sends message to Bob saying hello Bob, and that message will be delivered within milliseconds, because this is very going very fast. So there will be like 100 gigabits of speed in between, and PC2 replies with the hello Alice. Okay, so this is how computer networking is working. So I will be explaining these devices later in the videos, like router, ISP, and all, and how they internally work. So how PC1 forms a packet and how it goes over the internet. So what are the scenarios it is going to cover? Whether there will be some, we can say, for example, if there is one person here, so how that is going to take care. So we have an attacker, for example, in between, and whether it could sniff these packets or not, whether this attacker is going to read these messages or not. So I'm going to cover these, how to prevent these, and what are the basically protocols, or what are the different techniques are being used to prevent the man in middle attacks or these kind of attacks. Okay, so we are going to discuss in detail, but on a top level view, this is how computer networking looks like, how these devices communicate over to internet with each other.
So I hope you have enjoyed this computer networking overview video. Please join this channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos on this course. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.